I'm Meghan Taylor. I am a musician health researcher and I work in research administration at Colorado State University. I graduated from Wayne State with a degree in music education back in 2015. My main job is working at Colorado State in grant administration, so I work day to day helping different PIs get funding for the research that they do. And then outside of my day job, I also do a lot of consulting with musicians and teach lectures on musicians' health. Getting involved in that field actually originated when I was here at Wayne State. I was looking for an honors thesis and I was struggling a lot with performance anxiety, and so decided to write my honors thesis on performance anxiety, and that really took me on this new journey to figuring out how to teach musicians how to be healthier in their craft. Wayne State really prepared me for this career because I got a foundation in understanding the issues that I was struggling with as a music student, and was able to ask a lot of questions of my teachers, especially Dr. Kolbeck, who's still here at Wayne State. He really helped me overcome performance anxiety. And so now when I draw on those experiences, and I have throughout my whole career, it really served as that foundation for not only my interests, but also just the trajectory that I'm on now. When I was a student here, I did a lot of clubs, and I was the president of the National Association for Music Education's group on campus, and we brought lots of guest speakers, and organizing those events created a real passion in me for hosting events myself. And so now when I go out and do wellness workshops, I have a lot of background that I draw on just from those experiences back in when I was a wee undergrad managing just a small budget to now being able to do that on a much larger scale for other organizations that I work with.